How to make an NFT collection quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to make an NFT collection. So let's get into it. Now, you can make NFT collections in multiple different ways. I'm going to show you guys two basic ways. Now, first off, we're going to be going onto canva.com. You're going to log on to your account, and if you don't have one already, you can just simply sign up via using your email address. Once you have signed up by using your email address, you're going to click on custom size, and then you're going to change it from pixels to inches, and then you can put in 12 by 12 or 10 by 10 inches and click on new design over here. Once you do that, you can just go on ahead and you're going to click on your element section on the left over here, and then you can just search for hair, and we're going to be generating faces, so we're going to search for hair. And then you're just going to take a couple of these hair like GIFs or images or elements, illustrations, whatever you might want to call it. And I'm just going to click on share over here, and I'm going to click on download, and I'm going to download this as a PNG. Once I've downloaded this one, I'm going to go ahead and take another illustration over here. So I'm going to take this one over here now, and then I'm just going to add this over here. Just try to add it in the same position you added the previous one. And now I'm going to download this one, download this as a PNG. After I have done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the-nft-generator.com. So you're going to head on over to the NFT generator where you can generate unlimited collections, and then you're going to click on generate your NFT collection. You're going to click on add layer over here. You're going to click on add files. You're going to go ahead into your downloads over here, and then you're just going to upload those two images. However many were the amount of images you added. Obviously, the more images you download, the more ideas or the more NFTs you can generate. So we're going to add the layer name to hair. And then we're going to click on save over here. Once we've added our first layer, we're going to go ahead and add the second layer, which could be eyes. In the same way, we're just going to go into the graphics section on Canva. And then we're just going to take a couple of these eye illustrations. And if you don't remember the exact position, you can just load up the hair, and this will just help you better understand where to place the eyes. And then we're just going to download this once more. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and download another illustration. So we're going to go ahead and download these ones. We're going to make them larger, place them right over here, and click on share, click on download, and download this as a PNG. And now we're going to go back into our NFT generator, click on add files over here, and we're going to add our files, and then add the second layer name, which is going to be eyes. Now, in this way, you can download hair, eyes, nose, lips, ears, accessories, clothing, decorative items for the background of your NFT, and add each layer for each item. Now, once you have done that, you can go on ahead and once you have added your illustrations, you can turn on your preview and see the amount of designs that you can potentially get. So 2 into 2 is like 4 only. So let's say we want 2 illustration, and then you can click on download standard resolution or download the high resolution as well, and then you will have your NFT generator NFTs downloaded. However, they would have a watermark, so if you don't want to just generate your NFTs in this fashion, now let's say that you want to go on ahead and create something in which you will have multiple different options, and that's a bit more customized. Well, for that, I do have another way that you can create NFT collections, which is not simply generating collections, but a more creative way, which is to go onto canva.com, click on custom size over here, and go on ahead, open another 12 by 12 inch canvas over here, and go on and name your collection. So let's say this is going to be animals or whatever, just name it NFT. And once you do that, we're going to click on our canvas. We're going to change the canvas color. So we're going to change the canvas color to a light green, and then I'm going to go on to the element section, and I'm going to search for a deer. And then I'm going to click on the graphics section, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to take a look and try to find a cute illustration. You can search for any animal or anything that you want to make into your NFT collection, whatever you want to focus on your NFT collection. And I'm going to show you guys how you can create an entire collection based on one standard image. So we're just looking over here. So I think I'm going to go with this illustration over here. And once I have this illustration, I'm just going to expand it like so. And you can click on these magic recommendations to see similar illustrations as well if you want to look for something that is similar but not like this. And once you do that, I'm just going to place this at the bottom right over here at the center, and now I have my base image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on duplicate page on the top right over here, and using this base image I'm going to create multiple ones. It's just like just in a simple way by adding some decor. So first off, I'm going to search for halo, and in the first NFT I'm going to add a halo to my deer like this, and I'm going to change the background color. I don't like this one that much, so I'm going to change the background color to a different one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with a darker color. So I'm going to go with this maroon, and now I'm going to go back into my original image, click on duplicate image, and now in the magic recommendations, I'm going to add some blush, this like anime blush that you have. So I'm just going to go on ahead and add this. I'm going to resize it, and then I'm just going to place it over here, and then I'm also going to give it a bow, and I'm going to rotate the bow over here, and I'm going to change the background image to pink for this one. The background color is going to be a light pink for this one, like so. And now I can go back into my original image, and then I can just click on duplicate image and just keep on adding multiple different cute designs to generate or create an entire collection, which is going to be super customizable and super tailored to your ideas. And once you have done that, you can go on to OpenSea and upload your entire collection. So that is how simple and easy it is to make your own NFT collection. So that is how simple and easy it is to make your own NFT collection using Canva or using a NFT generator like this one. There are other NFT generators like ambition.io available as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to create your own NFT collection with Canva or with a NFT collection generator. And once you have done that, all you have to do is click on create over here and begin uploading your NFTs on OpenSea. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.